See this? This is your typical business. And over here, this is their IT operations. This is the way it's done, and the way it has been done for years. But not anymore. We've been thrust into a world where suddenly AI rules the business world. The old way doesn't always work anymore. All of a sudden, your costs are too high. Performance that was good yesterday is now merely average or below. You can't scale. You can't innovate. There has to be a better way. You know there has to be. And there is. Introducing CEI Clairvoyance, managed services powered by AI. It takes your old managed service framework and supercharges it. Discover how with a 3-step process that will lead you out of a hole and to a better place. Step 1. AI Innovation Workshop. Gain an understanding of how AI tools can be incorporated and identify the best opportunities for your organization. Step 2. AI Proof of Value. Implement a use case into production, measure results, and determine the ROI impact. Step 3. AI Transformation. Adopt AI tools, models, and automation with a crawl, walk, run approach, ultimately maturing to a state of AI-enhanced operations. Now you're back where you belong, at the front of the pack, running in lockstep with the world's best. Get started today at CEIamerica.com/clairvoyance and discover our free 2-day AI Innovation Workshop. CEI Clairvoyance, AI-powered managed services.